Welcome back to the Pre-Calculus Mastery program. In our previous lesson, we explored trigonometric identities and discovered how trigonometric functions are connected. But now it's the time to use that knowledge. What if we are given an equation like this? Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. How do we find the value of theta? And like algebra, this does not have just one answer. It has multiple answers. Today, we will learn how to solve trigonometric equations and understand all possible solutions. Solving a trigonometric equation means finding all angles that satisfy the equation. In trigonometry, one equation can have many solutions. Let's solve an equation. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 2. So find angle where sine is 1 by 2. For the standard value, theta is equal to 30 degree. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And now find all angles where same sine value is applicable. In a unit circle, theta is equal to 30 degree and 150 degree. In both angle, sine is 1 by 2. That means sine is positive in two quadrants. Now we include all rotations. Theta is equal to pi by 6 plus 2 pi n and theta is equal to 5 pi by 6 plus 2 pi n, where n is any integers. Now solve cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. From the unit circle, theta is equal to 60 degree and 300 degree. These values, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. In general solution, theta is equal to pi by 3 plus 2 pi n and theta is equal to 5 pi by 3 plus 2 pi n, where n is an integer. Cosine depends on x coordinate. Now solve tan theta equal to 1. From the standard value, theta is equal to 45 degree, where tan 45 is equal to 1. But tangent repeats every pi. So theta is equal to pi by 4 plus pi n, where n is an integer. Tangent has a shorter period. Now solve this equation using identities. 2 sine square theta equal to 1. Step 1. Sine square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Step 2. Sin theta is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So theta will be 45 degree, 135 degree, 225 degree and 315 degree. To solving trigonometric equation, we need to follow the key strategies. First one is simplify the equation, then use identities if needed. Then find basic angle, then use unit circle and write general solutions. Today we have learned how to solve sine equations, cosine equations and tangent equations, and also how to find all solutions and general solutions. These skills are essential for higher mathematics. When you solve trigonometric equations, you start understanding patterns in angle, and these patterns are the foundation of calculus and advanced mathematics. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.